Hello guys, good afternoon. It's 5 o'clock. Now I make a dinner. I boiled potato, and then it becomes softened. I mash it and put garlic. Hang on guys. I put garlic, that is garlic granules. I put salt. I put pepper.